Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to easily create a Web3 wallet in Bybit. So of course guys, before doing that you'll have to firstly of course create your account on Bybit to be able to then create a Web3 wallet inside it. So as you can see I already have an account, so I'm logged in. And after that just go to the Web3 tab right over here next to the exchange tab, right here. You will get this welcome message. And just create a wallet. Let us begin. So create a wallet, tap on that, verify. Okay, and now in here you will have a option to back up your wallet. You will have, as you can see, 12 words that you need to save somewhere. You want to save it somewhere on your computer. If you're a traditional type, you can type it in on a piece of paper or something. I'm just gonna press copy, and after that, as you can see, we are given our basically instructions. As you can see, please write the seed phrase down or store it on an offline device. So basically, it's a good idea to write it down on a piece of paper if you really want to make sure that you don't lose the access to your Web3 wallet. As you can see, it's like a phrase and your wallet's password. If you lose it, you won't be able to recover your assets. So it's very, very important to save all of these 12 words. Keep that in mind. And of course, never share your seed phrase with anyone. Press done. And now, of course, you will need to insert and basically choose the words in the proper order to verify that you have saved your words and that you basically have them. So let us do that. Okay, after verification, just press done. It's going to process and load, create your new Web3 wallet. And as you can see, created successfully. Now you have your Web3 wallet available and ready to use. Also, my friends, if you're looking to easily start out with the Bybit, we have a very, very nice discounts and affiliate links for you in the video description. You can find the links there if you want to have some good discounts. So look in the video description to find them. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Enjoy. If this helped, press like and subscribe. See you in the next one.